Welcome to the Nth Guides. Today, we have yet another question from Matthew Lang. His question today is, how do you fit learning new languages and frameworks into your schedule as a freelancer? I'm actually terrible at this. I always talk about it, and I've written about it, that I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it on Fridays and stuff, or, whatever day I picked, and but I haven't. I sort of do it as I suppose I do it as a client needs it. So I really learned the WordPress Ajax API and how to write better JavaScript and stuff when I had to do it for a big project, a couple months ago, and it's certainly come into benefit now because I've been doing a ton with it now. But as far as learning other languages, I just haven't done it. I'm really, really busy. I'm trying to write a book on the side, so I just haven't done it. I've even actually had to give up my Friday bike rides. I've been so busy lately, which pains me to no end, but hopefully we'll get a book out and get some of these other content items out and do it. I suppose ideally I would, set aside an hour or 2 hours every week and time box that stuff, so that so I'm learning a new framework or a new language and trying to get out something quick and dirty with it. And so I have an idea of kind of where it's headed, where it might benefit me, and so that I can come back to it if it's worthwhile. I certainly thought about using something like Cake PHP or something other PHP based just to enhance my PHP knowledge, because I actually have a psychology degree. I'm entirely self-taught. I have no doubt that there are gaping holes in my knowledge just around general programming concept in PHP. I would consider myself a WordPress programmer, not necessarily a PHP programmer. So I've thought about kind of digging into that, or even writing my own CMS. I've been toying with that a bit recently just to kind of go farther. But I even look at what's going to be the biggest return on investment for me to write better code. And I'm not sure that it is learning a new language or framework. It's probably doing test-driven development. It's not even, I'm a functional programmer, so it's not changing from functional to object-oriented. Building test-driven and using TDD and doing a certain amount of test coverage for my business logic, that will help me write better quality code and longer and easier to maintain code. And that's actually where I think my biggest benefit is long term. So that's what I do. I don't really do it, but I'm going to talk about it, and I'll continue to talk about it in some holier than thou way. But I'm probably not going to do it very well for a while.